the definition of success, the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. That's it. It's the accomplishment of an aim or a purpose. What are you aiming for? What is your purpose? Let's find out by taking a look deep within your life and telling me the things that you really want. I'm pretty sure it's going to boil down to, whether you want to admit it out loud or not, it's going to boil down to more money. Why? Why's everything always got to come back to money? There's more to life than money. Maybe. But in order to find out that more, guess what you need? Money. That's it. I could have sat here and went out into some whole philosophical deal. But let's face it, you can't get the better things in life without money. And to the degree of which you can get the better things in life, to that degree can you better enjoy life in a more elegant way, in the way you really want to. Have all of those luxury experiences, and maybe you'll say, well, I'm not into luxury, I don't need that. Have all those nature experiences, to be able to go to the best places, the most remote places that this planet has to offer, just to experience the peace of nature. You're gonna need money to travel. I don't care what faucet or area in life you look at. You're gonna need some money. So I tell you what, let's see one way that we can get some money. Because I know of a way to get some money, that money has been coming in consistently, and it is through the internet. But exactly how does one use the internet to get some money right now? Right now. How do you use the internet? You see all these websites that are selling things, that are selling services, selling products. How do you get it? And what if you don't even have a product or a service to sell? Then how do you go about it? We're about to go into that in just a few seconds. You're going to have to educate yourself. That's right. You're going to have to actually learn how to do this. Well, fortunately, also on the internet, there's trainings for that. And you can go searching on YouTube all day long and try to put different pieces together here and there. Or you can just sign up for an actual online course curriculum that will teach you the basics from the intermediary to the advanced levels of making money online. How to market products and services on the internet, and where to get products and services if you don't have any of yourself. Look at this. World-class e-learning courses to match your budget. Learn on demand courses on any device from beginnery to mastery. Here, let's take a look at some of these courses here. There's different course curriculums you can get, and they're all varied at different prices. They have unique names, like the first course curriculum is called Elevation. Then there's the Elevation Elite. And these are the different lessons and within the curriculum. There's the Vertex. Then there's the Vertex Elite. There's the Vertex Pro. All those lessons and modules there. Then there's the Vertex Live. And you see the specific price points per each. It's excellent. It's awesome. Training is there for you. These are all the lessons. I'll go ahead and let you take a look on the inside and see exactly how your classroom is going to look. This is your online classroom. When we're logged in, you'll see that this Bridge Learning e-course is called Easy One-Up. Discover the power of one. Now, Easy One-Up is online e-learning environment Teaches you all the ins and outs to making money online and internet marketing. These here, what you see here, are just different links that you can use. And we'll get to what those links actually do a little later. But for now, I want you to see the actual courses and the lessons and how they're accessed. So we're going to go to My Products here. We're going to take a look at some of the courses. Let's try the Elevation Elite course. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. 1 second while it loads. Access page. There's a lot here on physical development, but there's also a lot of mind mastery stuff and basic internet marketing primers, the beginnings. Here, as you can see on the right side here, you can see some of the lesson titles. See there? Those are the titles. That's in the Elevation Elite course package. And if we wanted to view one of these particular lessons, we simply click on the title. For example, here's how to generate leads. Let's go ahead and click on it. And here we are, how to generate leads on social media. And it's going to go in depth in there. Okay. Let's see another one. Let's go to another course under My Products. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Vertex Elite. And we're at the Vertex Elite access page here. Whole new different set of lessons, as you can see here from the right hand side. Let's say if you wanted to learn some in-depth email marketing, you just click on that lesson title, Email Marketing 3.0, and the online training course will populate right here on the left-hand side. And as you can see, this training alone is 1 hour and 36 minutes. Training times vary depending on the lesson. You can see there's more lessons. There's 50 non-stop traffic lessons in here. I just wanted to give you an idea of the experience for you, the student who is learning online marketing, learning how to make money online, learning internet marketing from beginner to advanced level. Now let's go back to that main dashboard here, because I want to talk about the various links that you see. What these links enable you to do is refer Easy One Up to anyone who might be interested. After you're going through this training, you might not have any products of your own. You might not have any services of your own, but you're all hyped up now because you've watched the training and you see that success is not only possible, but very probable if you just do the things you just learned, right? But you don't have a product, you don't have a service. Well, we give you a quick turnaround. You can just take the whole Easy One Up e-learning platform and sell it, promote it if you choose. Depending on the product level that you're on, that determines how much you're able to earn. So, for example, if you're at that Vertex Elite product package, which costs $500, and you refer someone and they in turn buy the Vertex Elite package, then you will earn $500 instant commission. That's right. You will earn 100% of the actual product package itself. Yes, you do. And it's instant pay. You don't wait a week. You don't wait a month to receive your payment. You receive that immediately at the point of sale. It's just to easily set up within the back office here. There's places where you set that up, like this Easy Cash wallet you see here. That's a way where you just load up funds And whenever you're ready to upgrade, to go to a higher educational package, you'll simply use the funds you already have uploaded in here to do it. Makes it real easy. Makes things really, really easy. This little cash wallet can also load up crypto. If you want to load up Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can choose to pay via that means as well as just from a debit card or a credit card. Real easy setup. This Easy Cash wallet also acts as sort of a mini holding account. Not like a bank savings account, but a personal off-the-grid savings account, if you will. It can also act as that for you, as well as train you. And once you begin promoting, you're going to need a link to promote Easy One Up with, so you can get some of those $500 commissions. Or if you've come in at, say, the Elevation Elite, which is $100, you'll receive $100 instant commission. And for any levels lower than that someone comes in at. So if you're at that Elevation Elite for $100 and someone buys the Elevation Education package, you would earn a $25 instant commission. It's easy. Very simple, understood. And how do you promote it? Well, you use the trainings that you learned, of course, and you use these links. Each of them will have your username encoded into the link. So let's go ahead and take a look at this lead capture page 2. For example, let's take a look at it. We'll go ahead and copy the link. Okay, it says it's copied. Now let's open it up in another tab. And the page looks like this. And what happens is, you are promoting this page using all the marketing and traffic generating methods that you've been taught up to this point from Easy One Up and from me, because I do offer a lot of extensive training that I give anyone who joins me and my team. So you would promote this page, and any visitor who sees the page would, that's interesting. Success is a journey. Let us give you a hand up. Begin your journey now. Well, I want to begin my journey now. And look, there's 28 success tips and a home study course that's also going to be given. So they simply put in their email address here, click yes, I am in, and then they're immediately taken to a presentation page that gives some information about Easy One Up. Simple. Some people will enter in their email address, and out of those people who enter their email address, some people will straight up join, and out of the ones who don't join, they will receive a series of emails meant to cultivate their knowledge of the online money-making platform, the internet marketing space, the affiliate marketing arena, how to make money online, and to subtly suggest and motivate them to come on in and join Easy One Up in particular. And of course, whenever they do, you earn an instant paid commission up to the product access level that you yourself is on. Very simple concept. This is Easy One Up, folks. This is how you can attain success. So we give you the training, we give you the tools, we give you the marketing, we even set up the way that you get paid, and again, this is important, you get paid instantly. How awesome is that? Where do you begin your journey? How could you come in right now? Once again, it's easy. Just go to discover.easymoneysite.info, or you could even go to success.easymoneysite.info, because you want to discover how to get success online. And that's what we have for you today, till infinity. This is William Caleb. Hope to see you on the inside. Wishing you peace and light. Everything is going to be all right. Success.easymoneysite.info. Discover.easymoneysite.info.